Hi students, welcome to Dawood Tech YouTube channel. So today we'll discover the first in India female candidates. I think this is the seventh video of GK. So thank you for following continuously. So without any interruption, okay, you are already. So I think it is most helpful to you. So that's why I am continuously uploading all the videos. You have to follow that video. Definitely you will be success in your almost all exams. Okay, see, so first in India, so female candidate, who is the female, already yesterday previous video we have completed who is the first in male candidates. Next so we are next today is the first in India female candidates. The first lady becomes Miss World is Rita Faria. So who is the first lady? The first lady to become Miss World is Rita Faria. Okay, the first woman judge in Supreme Court. The first woman judge in Supreme Court, Mrs. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. So who is the first woman judge in Supreme Court? Mrs. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. Okay, next the first woman ambassador is CB Muttamma. CB Muttamma is the first woman ambassador. So she is the first woman ambassador. Okay, next the first woman governor of a state in Free India is Sarojini Naidu. The first woman governor of a state in Free India is Sarojini Naidu. Next, the first woman speaker of a state assembly, Shano Devi. Shano Devi. Shano Devi is the first woman speaker of a state assembly. Next, the first woman prime minister is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi is the first woman prime minister. Okay, the first woman minister in a government is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur is the first woman minister in a government. So woman minister in government who is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Okay, the first woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Okay, the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. Santosh is also lady. Santosh Yadav, the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. So twice, two times. So who is that? Santosh Yadav. The first woman president of India National Congress is Annie Besant. So Annie Besant is the first woman president of Indian National Congress. Next, the first woman pilot in Indian Air Force. So woman pilot in Indian Air Force is Harika Kaur Dayal. Harika Kaur Dayal. Harika Kaur Dayal. Okay, the first woman graduates is Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu. So the first woman graduates Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu, 1883. So the first woman graduate is Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu. Next, the first woman airline pilot is Durga Banerjee. So Durga Banerjee is first woman airline pilot. Okay, the first woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleswari in 2000. The first woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleswari. Okay, so next the first woman president of United Nations Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The first woman president of United Nations is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Okay, the first woman chief minister of Indian state is Sucheta Kripalani. Sucheta Kripalani is the first woman chief minister of Indian state. Okay, the first woman IPS officer is Kiran Bedi. So Kiran Bedi is the first woman of IPS. So is the IPS officer Kiran Bedi. The first and last Muslim woman ruler of India is Razia Sultana. Razia Sultana is the first and last Muslim woman ruler of India. Okay, next the first woman to receive Ashoka Chakra is Neeraja Bhanath. Okay, the first woman to cross India English Channel Arati Saha. Arati Saha. So the first woman to cross English Channel. The first woman to cross English Channel is Arati Saha. The first woman to receive Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. The first woman to receive Bharat Ratna is Indira Gandhi. So these are the first women. See another time. So first one females, this is most important. It is stock GK, that means it will not change in a lifelong your what may be any subjects. So that's why this is very important to you. See, the first lady become Miss World is Rita Faria. Rita Faria is the first Miss World. The first woman judge in Supreme Court is Mrs. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. The first woman ambassador is CB Muthamma. The first woman governor of state in Free India is Sarojini Naidu. The first woman speaker of state assembly is Shano Devi. The first woman prime minister is Indira Gandhi. The first woman minister in government is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Okay, the first woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachendra Pal. Bachindri Pal is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. The first woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. So Santosh Yadav. So the first woman president of Indian National Congress is Annie Besant. The first woman pilot in Indian Air Force is Harika Kaur Dayal. The first woman graduate is Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu. The first woman airline pilot is Durga Banerjee. The first woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleswari 2000. The first woman president of United Nations General Assembly is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The first woman chief minister of Indian state is Suchitra Kripalani. The first woman IPS officer is Kiran Bedi. The first and last Muslim ruler of India is Razia Sultana. The first woman to receive Ashoka Chakra Neeraja Banwat. The first woman to cross Indian Channel is Arati Saha. The first woman to receive Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. The first woman to receive Bharat Ratna Indira Gandhi. These are the first women. It is very important. Okay, almost all exams they are asking. See, next topic is significance of symbols and signs. So already we are using some signs. So in the signs, how can we understand what is the significance of that signs? For example, black flag. So if I am taking black flag, I am going to it will be understood that symbol of protest. So why are using black flag? Symbol of protest, for that protest. So if you are anybody using black flag, we understand that so they want protest, that's why they are using black flag. Next, black flag at half mast. Black flag at half mast, symbol of national mourning. So symbol of national mourning. So black flag at half mast, symbol of national mourning. Flag flag upside down, symbol of distress. Flag flag upside down, symbol of distress. A blindfold woman holding balance at a scale, symbol of justice. So black strip on face arm signal mounting or protest. So black strip on face arm sign of mounting or protest. So okay. So next, lotus, culture and civilization. Lotus is used for culture and civilization. Olive branch, symbol of peace. Olive branch is used for symbol of peace. So on skull on two bones crossing each other diagonally, it is used for sign of danger. Used for sign of danger. Next, pen, symbol of culture and civilization. So if you are any symbol using pen, so it is useful for symbol of culture and civilization. It will reveal that symbol of culture and civilization. So pigeon or dove, symbol of peace. Red cross, medical aid and hospital. So red cross, plus symbol, already you know about this plus symbol. This plus symbol is for red cross, we will say that red cross. So it is useful for medical aid and hospital. Next, red flag is for revolution. So red flag is for revolution, also sign of danger also. So for danger also they are using red flag, and this skull and two bones are using, okay, for danger. Next, yellow flag, flag on ship or vehicle carrying parts suffering from infectious diseases. So yellow flag is for flag or ships or vehicles carrying part suffering from infectious diseases. So infectious diseases. White flag is symbol of truce. So white flag is for symbol of truce. Wheel, so is chakra, symbol of progress. These are the most significant flags, okay, or significant symbols used for any of this. For example, black flag is symbol of protest, flag flown on a half mast, symbol of national mourning. So flag flown upside down, a symbol of distress. So if your flag reversely upside down we are taking, that is a symbol of distress. A blindfolded woman holding a balanced scale, symbol of justice. So symbol of justice. So blindfolded woman balanced scale. Balanced scale, I think it is in we can observe in courts. Okay, the blindfolded woman holding balanced sheet, symbol of justice, just a symbol of justice. Next, black strip on face arm, say sign of mourning or protest. Next, lotus is for culture and civilization. Olive branch is symbol of peace. One skull and two bones crossing each other diagonally, significance of danger. Next, pen is symbol of culture and civilization. Pigeon of dove, symbol of peace. Red cross, medical aid and hospital. Red flag, revolution and sign of danger. Yellow flag, flown ship or vehicle carrying any suffering from infectious diseases. White flag is symbol of truce. So wheel, chakra, symbol of progress. So these are the today GK sections. I think you can understand anything. If you are not understanding, repeat this video so you can easily understand. So another time I'm asking you, if you are not subscribed my channel, directly go to the video session of my YouTube and subscribe the channel. See the number of videos are uploaded. Not only this, I am uploading number of trying to plan to upload for you. So it is most helpful to me and you. So definitely you want to subscribe my channel. Okay, so almost all students, you have to subscribe my channel. So subscription is not a problem to you, so definitely you have to subscribe. It is most important to me and you also. Thank you for all. Okay.